that is. You have a whole rack of Pepsi, a whole rack of Sprite, a whole rack of Coke. You even have a whole snack tray, Cheez-Its. Those are Scooby snacks. Those are those little M&M cookies. You got the little bites. You got a whole drawer of fruit snacks. You got a whole thing of Capri Suns. Peanuts. Body Armor, Red Bull. 10 out of 10. This is the best fridge. This is the best fridge we've seen. This fridge is valid. 10 out of 10 fridge. 10 out of 10 fridge. Oh my God. I want that fridge, bro. I want that fridge, bro.